Hello everyone, Rapid Pala welcomes you back to her channel. So, you have transitioned to a millet diet. Well, that's your choice. I still believe in eating everything in moderation. This includes millets too. I love millets as these ancient grains are a powerhouse of nutrients. There are many healthy Indian millet recipes to enjoy these tiny grains. You can make millet cookies, cakes, burfis, laddus, dosa, idli, and whatnot. And you will find all of these recipes on the Healthy Recipes channel. I'll post the link in description. The best thing is you can replicate the same taste and flavor profile of rice in a millet. For example, this lemon Kodo Millet recipe is easy, filling, and sumptuous and full of lemony flavor. The flavor of lemon in millet rice stands out. You will fall in love with this lemon millet recipe Indian and make it a regular in your meal plans. That's a promise. Before starting with the recipe, I request you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for immediate notifications on my latest healthy recipe updates. So for this easy lemon rice recipe, you need a handful of ingredients. I have made lemon rice for one person. Wash and soak half cup of millet overnight. I have taken Kodo millet this time, which is believed to have anti-diabetic, anti-cholesterol and anti-obesity properties. The millet should soak well for at least 5 to 8 hours or overnight. In the morning, prepare lemon for the millet rice recipe. Grate lemon skin and juice one lemon. Mix both and keep aside. Lemon peel is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, so I never discard it. I have shown a video on how you can store lemon peel as powder and use it in various recipes as a flavoring agent. It is an outburst of flavor, trust me, and you will love it. Let's cook the millet in double the amount of water. I have cooked in a cooker for 4 whistles, but if you have reservations against using a pressure cooker, please cook in a steel vessel or mud pot or ceramic vessel until the millet looks perfectly cooked yet not mushy. I have shared millet upma, millet idli, millet dosa, millet roti, millet cookies, millet cakes and millet burfi on the channel. Please do check the recipe. I'll post the links in description. We will need to temper millet rice with mustard oil. You may use any cold press oil of choice. Heat half tablespoon of oil. Heat half tablespoon of oil. Throw in half teaspoon of chana dal and half teaspoon of urad dal. I have used moong dal too. 1/4 teaspoon of methi or fenugreek jeera or cumin and mustard seeds or rye follow next. They will be roasted really quickly. Once the dals look roasted, throw in a few peanuts and cashews. Now add grated ginger, green chili and curry leaves. Throw in a pinch of hing too. Saute. Let us add salt and turmeric or haldi. It's time to mix the tempering with the cooked millet. Turn off the flame at this stage. Mix well and stir in the lime juice along with the lemon peel. Mix very well. Keep covered for at least 10 minutes for the flavors to infuse. I made millet lemon in the morning and relished it as lunch along with a dash of dry peanut chutney and Odisha's badi chura or dry urad dal chutney. I have paired my meal with curd, which is an important part of my lunch. I can skip everything else for that single bowl of probiotic goodness. I just love curd. Do you? I have shared many homemade probiotic recipes too. Do check those fermented foods for gut health. I hope you enjoy making and relishing millet lemon rice as much as I did. Stay safe, stay blessed until we meet next. Take care, bye bye.